Hey, what is going on, guys? We're here with A-Lin Media.
Oof, look at that damn thing. It looks so good. Got the EVO right next to it too. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Linny and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is focused on Aeryk's 2002 Toyota Tacoma that he picked up a couple months ago. As it sat before, it was almost all stock save for the bigger wheels and tires, so he thought it was time to do a little transformation. Before we get started, I wanted to let you guys know that I do have a Patreon up now, and the link will be down in the description below, so if you want to help me create more dope videos, drop down there. And while you're down there, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Hope you enjoyed today's video. While Aeryk's newly ordered parts were on their way through the air across the US, we started on something we already had laying around in the garage. Now, if you guys remember, Aeryk had a Subaru Forester before the Tacoma that we actually borrowed on many occasions to pick up wheels and other car parts, and the light bar came off of it when it got transferred to Raph. Yes, you heard that correctly, Raph with the EVO 9, the bike god himself. Anyways, we took that light bar and put it onto the front bumper of the Tacoma, then got it wired through the firewall to get the button on the dash. We took a nice little pause to eat our favorite taco truck down the street, which is very fitting for the circumstance, working on the taco while eating tacos. After dinner, we started to drill out the spot where the button would sit. We struggled to wire the button correctly though, and it shows it's off when it's on and on when it's off. It looks super sweet, and when the light's on at night, it definitely gives the vibe that the sun is still out. It really is that bright. I'm very impressed every time we have it on in the middle of the forest. After receiving the first of the packages, we tore the box up and headed out to the truck to install the rain guards. Two of the windows on the Tacoma roll up and down, while the rear two windows pop out. With a little bit of pressure and the heat of an overly hot day, we got the rain guards on with minimal effort. The rear rain guards account for the angle at which the windows pop out, which I thought was pretty neat. Now that all the trivial things were out of the way, it was time to move on to the front grille. The grille piece took a little while to remove as we searched on the interwebs on how to release the clips, but eventually we got it out. It was crazy to see the difference between the OEM grille and the nice gloss black aftermarket one. Installing this was a little more involved than removing the OEM one since it came with amber grille lights, which I think are a beautiful addition, but they had to be tapped into the headlight wiring so they lit up at the same time. The black definitely fits the Taco much better, as you'll see coming up here. Of course, as with any other truck, you'll find an Andy packed up and ready to go in the bed, taking a long, nice nap in the shade.
I don't know, it was just in the box.
Really utilizing these resources here.
Bro, I was schlumpy.
Dude, that recycling is on point. Now, I didn't get to see the installation of the tonneau cover, but this one's a roll-up cover that does a great job of hiding the contents of the truck from prying eyes. Now that it's darker back there, I'm sure it's also way easier to fall asleep in. Next up, we installed smoked versions of the headlights, taillights, and turn signals. These were also a night and day difference from the OEM spec, and they give the truck a much more aggressive and clean look. Starting with taking off the corner lights, we removed all the bulbs and transferred them over to the new set. Unfortunately, the new corner lights came with a chrome trim around them, but luckily a little bit of paint will do the trick to match them up with the grille. They blend in super nicely and give it a nice sleek look. The taillights were a little harder as we had to run to AutoZone to grab new bulbs because the old ones didn't fit into the new sockets. They look super JDM and the smoke look is fitting with the rest of the build so far. The old turn signals just popped out and the new ones popped right back in, making for an easy install on all of the lighting on the truck. To tie up the rest of the body, we decided to take off the front bumper and fender flares and restore them to black. The bumper had quite a bit of chrome on it, so painting it was a must, as the goal was to get rid of all the chrome on the truck. The fender flares were super sun faded and had turned to a gray color. We used plastic resurfacer to get the flares back to black, as well as using the rest of the can to paint the chrome on the front and rear bumpers. This tied up the exterior mods for the truck for the time being, and definitely made a huge difference. Here's a before and after shot to show you the changes. The final thing we decided to do was add a PA system with a microphone and louder horn functions. The system came with a bracket for installing the megaphone, but in true JDM fashion, we decided to just zip tie it to a post behind the grille. We had to extend the wiring because the ones it came with from Amazon were way too short. We made a quick stop to Tacoma Screw for some wire as well as extra connectors, because where else would you get materials for your Tacoma besides Tacoma Screw? After a little bit of finagling, we finally got the system hooked up and ran the wiring alongside the light bar wiring into the cabin. The mounting place for the microphone was also right under the light bar switch, making everything easily accessible and all in one place.
No.
Since it's black, it's not very noticeable at all, and as you'll hear, it's really quite loud.
What is up? How you doing?
That's so sweet.
Loud.
It's very loud.
Loud.
Holy shit. Doesn't help that we're in an echo chamber right now. The ability to talk to bad drivers on the road is great for keeping them in their lanes, but I'm sure if done poorly could lead to some road rage. Overall, the truck got a lot of changes in a short amount of time and it's looking really good. If there's anything you guys want to see get done to the truck, don't hesitate to drop a comment down below with your suggestions. I read all of your comments and try to respond when I have the time, and I appreciate your feedback when it comes to my videos. Anyways, that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, consider leaving a like and subscribing if you haven't already. Thanks for watching. Oh, currently out here at Rampage Fab. Oof, look at that damn thing. It looks so good. Got the EVO right next to it too. Woo! That's so sweet. I love the wrap on it. It's so sweet. But yeah, I haven't been here in a while. I'm actually shooting with Carlo right now. He should be on his way if he's not already here. I don't see him though, so we're gonna kind of chill out over in that back corner just over there and see if we can't get some of these crazy cool sunset shots, especially with the fog and smog that's going on right now. I think it's all the wildfires. Who knows what's causing it? It's extreme weather warnings as well. In Washington, 99 degrees. Tomorrow's gonna be even hotter. I know it doesn't sound like a lot, but it is. Oh, also Carlo is just right there. And he brought a GTI friend. Nice. Yo, Carlo and the boys are here. Actually, Thomas is here too.
Of course, dude. I'm fucking everywhere.
But he didn't bring his fucking car. What a dick.
I'll bring it next time.
There's the boy. He's back from Guam.
What up, baby?
What up, dude? It's been a while.
I see her.
Hey, what is going on, guys? We're here with A-Lin Media. All right, we got Carlo Cook over here. You know, Tiny P Carlo Cook. We got in the back here. Whoa!
This is not YouTube friendly, boy.
Yo, what? Did I say something? Anyways, all right, bro.
Oh, check out the hat. Check out the hat.
I heard you're sponsored by Brom. What do you guys say about that?
Very honored to be sponsored by Brom. Won't disappoint. Got the best photographers in the game.
That's right.
Really good content coming soon.
There you go.
Hell yeah.
I bet. Got the camera out here. We're gonna take some fire banger shots out here. And we've got that smoky sun, like I just said. It's creating quite a fucking sunset here. So it's gonna be great.
Let's go, baby. Rivals.
Yes, the rival gang, boy. We on this shit. This is a great spot. Oh.
What are your thoughts on your rival Alex's photography?
Oh my gosh. Shut the fuck up, dude.
No comment.
All right, no comment.
Ooh, it's sweet, dude. The rivals, the two rivals, looking good next to each other. Getting some fire pictures right now. This is so sweet. Aeryk showed up with his truck too. So, yeah, it's a great way to end the day. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Hit that like button. What'd you say?
Hit that like button.
Ooh.